Hi guys, it's Christina Quick, the Tarot Biz Mentor here from the Profitable Psychic Business and Divination Academy. Welcome to another video. So today we're going to be continuing on in our Etsy series, and I'm going to be talking about 10 types of psychic readings that are really popular and really profitable on Etsy. Now, I'm not saying that you should offer all of these. I'm not saying that you should offer any of them. If you don't vibe with any of the reading types that I'm going to share with you today, I don't want you to feel obligated to sell them. I'm just simply here to give you the information, to tell you what sells, to tell you what's popular, what's really profitable, and it's up to you to decide that if you want to move forward and sell these types of readings. So let's just get right into it. So the first one is same day quick turnaround. So when I tell you this, these are like certain keywords or tags or words that you want to, phrases that you want to put into your titles. So same day or quick turnaround readings are always really popular. 24-hour readings, super popular. Yes, no readings. There's always something wonderful about a simple yes no reading. Sometimes people just want a simple yes no answer, or they just want maybe a one card reading that kind of goes along with it, like either it's a yes or a no, and here's the card that explains the situation a little bit more. People really like those. They're simple, straightforward, to the point. Sometimes you just need a yes or no answer. Number 3, month ahead or prediction type of readings about what's coming up. Like, so you could sell this like week ahead, month ahead. You could sell it on a package of subscriptions. So like, if you wanted to sell like a 6-month package, you would just charge the full 6 month and the one listing. And then every month they would get a new prediction about like, what's coming up, what's the theme of the week. And even if, when I say prediction, I don't necessarily mean you're going to buy a house or you're going to meet tall, dark, and handsome, or you're going to get pregnant, or you're going to win the lotto. Those are predictions, yes. But I mean just in general, like predicting ahead, predicting the future. Even if you don't vibe with general prediction type of readings, you can still pull a card for them a month ahead. And, this is like the central theme of what's going on. Anything to do, number 4, anything to do with thoughts, feelings, and motivations. Now, our first inclination is to think about love. And yes, love is definitely a popular seller, always a popular seller. But beyond just love, just thoughts, feelings, and motivations in general. So you could create many listings out of this. What does my coworker think of me? Or what does my boss think of me? What does my sister think of me? Or what is this person's intentions towards me I just met? And maybe it's not even dating. Maybe it's just, interested in being their friend. So the thoughts, feelings, motivations is valid across the whole spectrum of relationships, not just romantic, though romantic will always be a really popular seller. You could do it for platonic relationships. I've had people come to me and ask what their estranged parents think of them, or even mediumship readings where people on the other side have messages for my clients, and they want to know, like, say their father passed away or something, and they're like, I just want to know if my dad's proud of me or something. You can do thoughts, feelings, motivations, and that kind of reading as well. One question tarot readings are really great too. They're a lot like the yes and no tarot readings, where they're kind of straightforward to the point. People think they're getting a lot of value because they think they're paying the least amount. I mean, you can price it however you want, but one question tarot readings are really, really awesome, or one question psychic readings to offer, because sometimes people just get overwhelmed with like card spreads and like all this other stuff that we like to do that's like fancy that we add onto it. And sometimes the simplicity of just the one question reading is really beneficial and a great entry point for people to hire you that maybe wouldn't normally hire a psychic, or maybe feel overwhelmed by this whole process. Number 6, emergency readings. So emergency readings are really big. You want to make sure, especially for the same day quick turnaround and the emergency delivered like within an hour, delivered within 2 hours or 5 hours or 6 hours or something like that. You want to make sure that you're charging premium prices for that, because that's like really valuable, to have to drop everything that you're doing and be of service. So make sure that you're charging at least triple what you would normally charge. and set a reasonable time. So, you can say, I would say like, within 12 hours or within 6 hours or so, or whatever, whatever feels good to you. Some people literally just wake up in the middle, they get an order and they wake up in the middle of the night and do it. And I mean, people do what they want to do. I wouldn't do that personally, but if, you're working on your hustle and you got some debt to pay off and you want to buy a house or you want to buy a car or you got to pay for braces for your kids, you're going to do whatever you need to do. Am I right? So that's another one that sells really well, emergency readings. Now, a couple ones that sell really well are aura readings. People love aura readings. They love to know about their aura, and also life path readings. So they really love to know what their life path is or what their life purpose is. And I kind of included those the same number, but they're not really the same, but they kind of are similar. Like how I used to do them, they're very similar, but how you might do them, they might not be similar. So that could be one or it could be two, depending on how you view it. But aura readings, like just general checkups, like chakra readings. You can't say health reading, but you can say chakra reading. You can say wellness reading. You can say holistic reading. Things like that. You just can't say health or healing and things like that. I have a video up that has the prohibited services, so do check that out. It's part of this series if you're curious if something you're selling is not allowed on Etsy. Now, also people really like past life readings. Oh my gosh, those past life readings are so popular. I used to sell so many of those. Everybody wants to know what their past life was. Everybody wants that kind of psychic experience. It's pretty cool if you can offer those. You can do it through tarot cards. You can do it through your own psychic abilities. You can do it through whatever divination tool that you like. But I would highly recommend having some kind of past life spread or some kind of system. I used to use Lenormand personally for it, and that worked out really well for me. Number 9, general readings. A lot of people want readings. They're just not really sure what they want to ask. So you can have a listing for general readings, but I also recommend having listings for different like life areas. Like, for example, a general reading on their love life, their career, and their life path. Like that would be kind of like a 3-card spread, or however many cards you want per position for something like that would be really great. General reading on love, general reading on life path, general readings on their psychic abilities, just general readings. Like a lot of people just want to see what comes up and see what the psychic gets. I get that a lot of people don't like to work that way. I don't mind working that way. It's fine. I'll read on whatever and do whatever. But that's really popular, especially people that don't necessarily have a question. So if you have only question-based listings in your Etsy store, you might want to consider putting up some life area type of listings as well. Like this reading will look at your love life, will look at your career, will look at your life path, or different areas or something like that. However you like to do it. And then finally, number 10, pregnancy and conception readings are really, really popular. So I do have a video on how to ethically do pregnancy readings according to me, right? This is just according to me. It is located in the Make Epic Money on the Psychic Hotlines training, which is available on the Academy website, www.theprofitablepsychic.com. It talks about how to do pregnancy readings on the psychic hotlines. The process is very similar to how you might do it on Etsy. So if that is of interest to you, or you already have that training in your student dashboard, then you might want to check that video out because it talks a little bit about how to do that. It also, as far as pregnancy, like, am I pregnant? Am I not pregnant? Like, yeah, I mean, those kind of sell. But if you don't want to do those, you could do things like readings for the unborn child, or readings for the child's first birthday. Don't forget about kids, because spiritual people love buying the woo-woo stuff for their kids. You could also do like, am I ready to get pregnant? Am I ready to have a kid? Am I ready to adopt a child? Am I ready to be a parent? What do I need to do to prepare, if someone's already pregnant and someone's expecting? What do I need to do to prepare to be a parent? What does my child want me to know? Especially if you have a neurodivergent child or something like that. I've had lots of parents of autistic children come to me and ask me to do readings on them, and because it's you know, it's a way to communicate with especially with people that are nonverbal. So don't forget about the kids and also pets. Pregnancy, pets, and kids is also a really good top seller. Everybody likes to get tarot readings or psychic readings from their pets, especially the pets that have passed on. If you are a pet medium or pet psychic, really, really popular. So there you are. Here are 10 really popular and profitable types of readings that you can offer. And let me know down in the comments below if you offer some of these already or if this has inspired you to create some. And if you have some really popular sellers in your shop, let us know down in the comments below what sells really well for you so you can help inspire everybody else who's watching these video trainings as well. So thank you guys so much. I will see you in the next video.